In the previous video, we studied the LazyHGrid, and this is actually the continuation for that video. So in this video, we are going to study LazyHGrid. So let's just comment this out, and let's try another scroll view. And this time we want lazy. Actually, we want our scroll view to be horizontal as well. And let's just have a LazyHGrid now. And same as the LazyHGrid, the HGrid actually uses rows, but the concept is same. So let's just have a list or an array of the rows in here. So let's just name these rows. It's an array of grid item, and let's just use grid item. And for the size, we want fixed of 120 maybe. And yeah, now we can have our rows in here. And for the content, let's just use for each and have a loop from 0 to 20. And we are going to have a text that says element number. We can have padding in here and a background. For the background, let's just use maybe purple with opacity of 0.1. So we have our grid, and you can see we have only a single row this time because we only used a single grid item in here. So the LazyHGrid, it actually grows horizontally, and as the LazyHGrid, it only creates items when they are required on the screen because it's lazy. So this is a very helpful and powerful feature of SwiftUI to load views as lazy, because otherwise if we have maybe 200 items and all of them are loaded already into the memory, then of course it's a waste of memory and it will affect the performance of it. So let's just try to have another row in here. So we can use another grid item, and let's just use a fixed size of 120. So now we are going to have 2 rows in here. So yeah, so that's it for this video. This was just a very short one to trying to explain how this LazyHGrid works. Rest everything else is same as the LazyHGrid. The concept of these grid item is same. The fixed is always a fixed size. Flexible is it try to adjust itself in an available space, and adaptive is always multiple items in a single available space. So yeah, that's it. It was the continuation of the previous video. So see you in the next one.